Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Adam coming at you again with another Don't Drive Like an Asshole video. This one is about a little feature in your vehicle that could help save your life or somebody else's life. It's kind of like a life hack. Something that not a lot of people seem to know about. So I just want to demonstrate what is and what it can do for you. So, on your steering wheel, there are two levers, one on the right side of the steering column, one on the left side of the steering column. Today we're going to focus on the left side of your steering column. I'm going to show you what that's all about. Here we go. This little lever right here, it goes up and it goes down. So what I want to do is show you exactly what happens when you activate that lever. Here we go. You push it up, then you push it down. Let's do it again. Push it up. See that little light? Now watch something really cool. This is the best part. I'm going to show you right now the best part of what happens when you do that. Here we go. See that? I know it's daylight, so it's a little hard to see, but there it is flashing right there on your right side. Now let's see something really cool. I'm going to show you what happens when you push that lever down. See, now we've pushed it down. See that right there? See that little green blinking light? Now let's go take a look at the back of the car again. See what's going on out there. See that? Those are called blinkers, people. Use them. They're there for a reason. When you need to change a lane, when you're pulling into traffic from a stop, from the side of the road. And then I'm going to show you something else that's also pretty useful. There's a little button. Mine's on the center of the dash console. Got a little triangle. Look at that. See what happens? See that? Now let's take a look at the back of the car again. Pretty cool, right? It's flashing on both sides of the car. Those are called your emergency flashers. They're especially helpful if you're broken down on the side of the road waiting for help. So the tow truck or police or whoever is looking for you can find you. They're also helpful if you need to stop for some reason and you're sort of impeding traffic. Like if you're picking up or dropping something off and your car is still running, helps let people know, hey, I'm here. I'm just making a quick stop. If you need to, you can go around me. And they're also used for people that are in slow moving vehicles. Let's say you're towing something and going up a hill and you have to slow down to, and about 15 miles per hour under the speed limit. It lets people know, hey, I'm going slower than the rest of the traffic. You might want to go around me. Watch out. Don't hit the back of me. So there's a reason those lights exist, people. Let's start using them.